I did not do that, but I haven't changed it.
Ivory, come here.
Hey!
Hi, Ivory. I missed you.
All right, what's up, guys? Welcome back to InMotion Wrenched. We are here with Paul today.
What's up?
We're gonna be pulling this engine out because Paul blew it up because I don't know, he doesn't know how to drive or something. No, I'm just kidding.
Who needs oil pressure?
Nobody needs oil. But he's talked about this car a lot in one previous video anyway, kind of his intro video. So I'll link that up here, wherever it is. Go check it out. We're just getting started here. We're gonna pull the headlights off here because we don't want to break them, and then we're gonna get to pulling the motor out. All right, so we ran into a little snag. We got to pull the one passenger side motor mount out. Hopefully give us a little more room around the starter there. Hopefully then everything else is disconnected. Should be able to come right out. We'll see. All right, so snag number 2. Couldn't get we don't have a leveler for the engine hoist, so we're putting the motor back down. We got a block in there and reposition where the chain hangs on the motor, try to get the center of weight back a little bit, and then it should come out. Maybe, we'll see.
Kind of looks like it was leaking here and just puking it out. Awesome. That looks like a whole bunch of work right there to me.
Just like that. Motor's out, it's down. We got to run to Paul's parents. We got to grab the motor stand and something to set the trans on so we can pull everything apart. And yeah.
Actually can use it. Alright, let's see if we got any stuff. We got tires. Let's see if I one. A ball can.
wow.
Definitely didn't buy that. Yuck. Yeah. Ivory!
Ivory, come here.
Hey!
Hi, Ivory. I missed you.
I'm also running where I should have eaten already. I'm starting to get a little hungry. Just the ones that fire.
Yeah, we're only gonna check those ones because the other ones obviously don't have anywhere.
I wish that was how it worked. This one can like take a break.
Also, Arizona Iced Tea sponsor us.
Yeah.
right, so that's the damage. It's probably about as far as I think we'll get for today. Gonna have somebody else come in and take a look at it and see get an expert opinion on what they think is gonna be the right option. But
yeah, I think I haven't pulled enough motors apart to know all the little nuances, so I'll have someone come look at that, and then we'll start making a parts list of what we're gonna do with like the cam and all the different gaskets, if we need to get studs or anything like that. So yep, got some paperwork to do now, and it'll be better than ever.